This is the Iron Trader, and this is midday trading. We're going to take a look here at a couple of movers. First is going to be Tesla. The next one is going to be Netflix. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, first on the docket here we have is old Tesla. Now, here's just a daily chart over a year's period. So what we want to do is just look at the overall picture. What we have here is your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder. This is just a real nice inverse head and shoulders pattern, okay? So what we want to do is look at this key level here of resistance, okay? That is sitting at 199.78, okay? So right there, it needs to close above, okay? If it does, then you can, it's going to go much higher, okay? So then what we want to do is we're going to look at this candle here. You're looking at 207.79. Then we're looking here. You're looking at 211.23, and then we look at the top of this candle here. You're looking at 217.65. Those would be your upside targets if you can close above that 199.79, that key 200 SMA. Now, on the downside, we always want to watch here the previous candle. So you want to watch the top of this. You're sitting at 198.60. You want to watch the top of this candle right here, looking at 192.96. And then we start getting into these key SMAs here, the 8-day at 186.49. Those would be your support levels if you can't close above that 200-day and half as a sell right on down. Let's take a look here now at the weekly and your monthly. All right, here we go. Here we have the old weekly chart. Now, what we want to look at on here is we want to look at this key 50 SMA. See, sitting at 208.54. Okay, very, very key level. And then we have above that is your price channel. Okay, sitting at 217.65. Now, if it can close above that, then your target here is basically is 248.87. That would be your big target. But that's a big if. Let's wait to see if you can close above that price channel first of all. That's very key level. But the main one is going to be this 50 SMA here sitting at 208.53. Now, if we look at this pattern here, same thing. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Nice inverse head and shoulders pattern. If it closed obviously below this candle right here, sitting at 152.37, then that pattern would be negated. Okay, but right now she's looking very, very strong, very bullish. Now, here on your monthly chart, what we want to do is we want to look here at this 8 SMA. Okay, that's going to be your key support level, 187.01, and then we have a 50 SMA here sitting at 174.14. That is if it, if it sells off. But right now the pattern looks very bullish. The key is going to be that 200 SMA here on your daily chart, and this key 50 SMA here on your weekly chart. All right, let's take a look here now at old Netflix. Okay, here we have your Netflix, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, on the daily here, you're just having a really, really nice rip up. Look at your 8 SMA, see how it's following it right on up here. Really nice. All your SMAs here, curling right up here. Your 21, your 50, your 100, everything is going up just beautiful here. Now, there's 2 key levels on the upside here to watch. The first one is going to be on this monthly chart. That is sitting at 402.96. That's going to be key resistance. If you can get through that 402.96, then we want to do is we want to look to this 200 SMA here. You're sitting at 404.84. Okay, those are 2 very, very going to be very strong resistant levels. If you can get through, then you can, then you just follow the top of these candles here and you can just rip much, much higher. Okay, but watch these 2 levels here on a closing basis. All right. Now, on the downside here, okay, on your weekly, you want to look here at the top of this candle here. You're looking at 383.76. You want to look at the top of this candle right here. You're looking at 379.43. All right, and the top of this candle here, looking at 375.87. Those are going to be your support levels if you can't get through this 200 SMA. Now, you can see how this 8-day is curling up really nice. The 21 days moving up. Your 50 days curling up here. Very, very bullish here on your Netflix. Now, Of course, there's always a lot of noise here at the death ceiling, and this is going to be signed as a blah, blah, blah. Okay. So just trade the charts here and watch this key 50 SMA here and this key 200 SMA here for your upside resistant levels. All right. Thanks for watching.